Oh my God, I'm gonna have to buy your mom this. Friday tiramisu cake at Safeway, $5. Any of you been checking on your card?
A series of mid-level venues. Kudos, Bender. You got mangled, and now you're a singer.
Huh?
Our dreams came true.
Hey, I have an idea. Who wants to cram in my van and follow Bender on tour and live there in the
Eating
van?
a sap? Are you tape here?
Oh, I don't know, Fry. I think I'm going to follow a band around
She's
in
eating
the
a
van.
sandwich.
We gotta
Look
get
at
to the
Michael.
concert and
Tell
maybe
him
I just wait
cheese.
for it to start.
Oh, I should have put cheese in it. Oh, look at her face. Let me get her net. Oh,